Friends, now we have to solve this word problem. See what is given. Two types of boxes A and B are to be placed in a truck having capacity of 10 tons. Having capacity of 10 tons. When 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B are loaded in the truck, it weighs 10 tons. But when 260 boxes of type A are loaded in the truck, it can still accommodate 40 boxes of type B, so that it is fully loaded. Find the weight of each type of box. Friends, now we have to solve this problem. But before this, don't forget to subscribe our channel to get our coming new videos. Let's see. Now in this problem, two types of boxes are given A and B having different weights, and two conditions are given to form two equations. So first we have to form two equations by using these two conditions. But before that, we have to assume some variables for weight of each type of box. Let X and Y be the weights of the boxes A and B respectively in tons. Weights are in tons. So that means X is a weight, X tons is a weight of box A and Y tons is a weight of box B. So now we have two variables X and Y. Now we have to make equations. See what is first condition. 150 boxes of type A and 100 boxes of type B. Then it weighs 10 tons. So equation becomes 150x plus 100y is equal to total weight of truck 10. This is equation number 1. Similarly, second condition, there are 260 boxes of type A. So 260x plus 40 boxes of type B we can still accommodate. So 40y is equal to full capacity of truck 10 ton. This is equation number 2. 260x plus 40y is equal to 10. Now to solve these two equations simultaneously, we have to make variable coefficients of one of the variable equal. So to make coefficients of variable y equal, we have to multiply equation 2 by pi upon 2. Pi upon 2, so that we will get coefficient as 100 for y. So we get pi upon 2 into 260, that is 650x, plus pi upon 2 into 40, that is 100y, is equal to pi upon 2 into 10, that is 25. This is our equation number 3. Now at the place of equation number 2, we have to use equation number 3. So we have to make deal between equation 1 and 3 now. Since in equation 1 and 3 both have their y coefficients of y are equal with equal sign, same sign, so we have to subtract them. So subtracting equation 1 from 3, we get coefficients of equation 3 are greater. So first equation 3, 650x plus 100y is equal to 25, minus equation 1, 150x plus 100y is equal to 10. Subtracting the corresponding terms, we get 650x minus 150x, that is 500x, is equal to sums of y eliminates, means cancel each other, is equal to the right hand side 25 minus 10, that is 15. Therefore dividing both the sides by 500, we get x is equal to 15 upon 500, that is 3 upon 100, that is equal to in decimal 0.03. It is in ton. Okay, keep in mind, because our x variable is for weight in ton. Now substituting this value of x as 0.03 in one of the easiest equations, suppose it is 1, we get 150 into x, that is 0.03, plus 100y is equal to 10. Therefore solving this, we get value of y as y is equal to 0.055. So now we have values of both the variables x and y. So the weight of the box of type A, according to our assumption, it is x, so it is 0.03 ton, and the weight of the box of type B, according to our assumption, it is y, is 0.055 ton. So friends, like this we can solve any word problem by converting them into our equations form. For better understanding, solve this problem again in your notebook, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you like this explanation, then please give click on our like.